FCLCOD dual module diesel coalescing system. So the unit on the left is the pre-filter with pump and motor in the primary panel, large pre-filter, and then the fluid goes from the pre-filter cart into the coalescing module, split into two modules because we know that the fluid is highly contaminated. So we want to have good filter element life. From the sight glass we can see the water on the bottom and the diesel floating on top. So typically there will be water in the bottom here, so we get good separation, and we're only draining water, not draining water and diesel. So go ahead and start it. I'm going to drop it in there. So we put about 5 gallons of water into the number 2 diesel fuel. This is the auto drain circuit. So as the water collects in the bottom of the coalesce vessel, this specific gravity float that's inside this small chamber will make, and then it opens the normally closed solenoid valve that's on the coalesce housing drain. So now we see the water level rising in the coalesce housing. And once that gets to a certain point, then the normally closed solenoid valve opens, draining the fuel, and then we see the water level begins to go down. So while we're draining, we're still separating water from the diesel. See that the water level got to the point where the specific gravity float closes the normally closed solenoid valve, and now it's filling back up again, and then we hear the solenoid valve click open and drains more fluid. And then when the solenoid valve is closed, more water can collect in the bottom. So that process just repeats until we're no longer pulling enough water out